हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. This writ petition has been filed inter alia for the following reliefs: para first, issue a writ order or direction in the nature of certiorari quashing the impugned order / notice dated 21/8/2020 in bracket annexure 3 to the writ petition bracket out passed by collector Bijnor full stop para second, issue a writ order or direction in the nature of mandamus directing the respondent number 1 to initiate appropriate in bracket SIC action bracket out against the district magistrate / collector Bijnor for violation of mandatory instructions issued under the Disaster Management Act 2005 full stop para. The petitioner is the Pramukh of the Kotwali Kshetra Panchayat Bijnor full stop. The petitioner assumed the charge of Pramukh on 29/7/2019 full stop. On 21/8/2020, a no confidence motion as per section 15 of the Uttar Pradesh Kshetra Panchayat and Zilla Panchayat Act 1961 in bracket hereinafter referred to as the Act of 1961 bracket out was made in accordance with the procedure laid down under the Act of 1961 full stop para. In pursuance of the no confidence motion, the district magistrate Bijnor issued a notice dated 21/8/2020 convening a meeting for consideration of the motion of no confidence on 15/9/2020 at 11 a.m. at the Kotwali Kshetra Panchayat office full stop. In view of the aforesaid notice of the district magistrate Bijnor, a meeting for consideration of no confidence motion is to be held at 11 a.m. on 15/9/2020 full stop para. It is contended by the learned counsel for the petitioner that since there are about 185 members in the Kotwali Kshetra Panchayat district Bijnor, they exceed the number of persons permitted under the guidelines for phased reopening in bracket unlock 4 issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs Government of India on 29/8/2020 full stop. It was further submitted that in view of the aforesaid guidelines, the proposed meeting for consideration of no confidence motion cannot be convened on 15/9/2020 since it would be in violation of the provisions of the Disaster Management Act full stop para. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that convening the meeting for the purposes of consideration of no confidence motion cannot be said to be a political function, and in order to buttress the submission, he has further stated that sessions of parliament have also been convened during this period of the pandemic full stop. Similarly, amid the pandemic, Rajasthan Assembly having more than 200 members was also convened for considering a no confidence motion full stop. As such, there is no legal impediment in convening such a meeting full stop para. Learned counsel has also brought to the notice of this court that number of exams have also been held during the period of COVID-19 where a large number of students appeared in the examinations full stop. Thus, the contention of the learned counsel for the respondents is that there is no prohibition to hold such a statutory meeting for consideration of a no confidence motion full stop. It is further submitted that a meeting can be held by adhering to the safety norms as stipulated by the government full stop. Over. तो दोस्तों, ये हो गया है 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड पे फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ, ठीक है। अब इसको जो है अच्छे से लिखिएगा। 2 मिनट के बाद डिक्टेशन चालू करेंगे क्रिमिनल मैटर की। तब तक थोड़ा रेस्ट वेस्ट कर लीजिए, और जो नए हो इस चैनल पे वो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर भी कर दें, बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिएगा, और पुराने वाले भी यही कीजिएगा, मतलब लाइक वाइक शेयर वगैरह कर दीजिएगा, और जिन्होंने बेल नहीं दबाई है वो दबा दीजिएगा, पता चला डिक्टेशन आ जाए और आप लोग को पता ना चले। कोशिश हमारी ये है कि हम डेली डिक्टेशन डालें, ठीक है, ताकि रोज़ आपकी प्रैक्टिस होती रहे। तो कमेंट्स वगैरह भी बताइएगा जो भी ठीक ठाक लगे आपको, अच्छे हों तो अच्छे, बुरे हों तो बुरे। ओके, और यार लाइक भी कर दो, मतलब ये सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो। पता नहीं कुछ सब्सक्राइबर्स जो होते हैं एक एक कम होते जाते हैं, बढ़ते जाते हैं, समझ में नहीं आता। डिक्टेशन पसंद नहीं आती है क्या हमारी? अगर ना पसंद आया तो बताओ भाई। ये केवल उन्हीं लोग के लिए है जिन्होंने गुजरात डाला हुआ है, ठीक है। बाकी और जो लोग शौक के लिए लिख रहे हैं वो लिख लें अपनी स्पीड बढ़ाने के लिए, लेकिन प्रॉपर ये गुजरात वालों के लिए है। और जो नहीं है जिनका एग्ज़ाम, वो भी लिख सकते हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल रहेगी। इसलिए क्योंकि हैवी स्पीड में डिक्टेशन ट्राई करने का फ़ायदा ये होता है कि आपकी लोएस्ट स्पीड वाली डिक्टेशन ना, उसमें परफेक्शन आ जाती है, ठीक है। जैसे 120 125 के आप कर रहे हैं तो 110 में आपको कमांड मिल जाएगा। ओके, चलिए फिर शुरू करने वाले हैं क्रिमिनल मैटर, ठीक है। जजमेंट है NV रमणा का 10 सेकेंड के बाद। ओके, कॉपी पेंसिल तैयार कर लीजिए अपनी, पेंसिल तो हम कभी नहीं कहेंगे लिखने के लिए। चलिए स्टार्ट। द प्रेजेंट क्रिमिनल अपील अराइजेज आउट ऑफ द इम्प्यून्ड ऑर्डर डेटेड 27/3/2009 passed by the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital in criminal appeal number 144 of 2006, whereby the High Court dismissed the appeal of the appellant and confirmed the order dated 8/5/1992 passed by the Sessions Judge Chamoli in ST number 36 of 1991, convicting the accused for offences under section 354 and section 511 read with section 376 IPC full stop. The accused was sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 1 year for commission of offence under section 354 IPC, and he was further sentenced to undergo 2 years rigorous imprisonment and pay a fine of rupees 200 for commission of offence under section 511 read with section 376 IPC full stop. Para. The brief facts according to the prosecution are that the complainant victim is the aunt of the accused appellant full stop. The accused appellant had earlier also committed indecent behavior with the complainant victim, which is the subject matter of another criminal proceeding full stop. On 12/1/1991, the accused appellant, after seeing the complainant victim alone, took advantage of the same and attempted to molest her full stop. On the same date at around 10 p.m. while the complainant victim along with her daughters was sleeping in her house, the accused appellant entered into the house of the victim in a drunken state full stop. While the complainant victim was getting up from her bed, the accused appellant pounced upon her, making her fall into the bed full stop. The accused appellant thereafter lifted her petticoat, sat upon her and attempted to commit rape full stop. Upon hearing the noise, the daughter of the complainant victim in bracket PW2 bracket out got up and beseeched the accused appellant to let go of her mother full stop. Upon hearing the commotion, certain other villagers interfered. Accused appellant ran away after threatening the complainant victim full stop. Thereafter, the complainant victim narrated the entire incident to her husband, pursuant to which they approached the court of the CJM to file the complaint on 16/1/1991 full stop. Para. The trial court wide order dated 8/5/1992 convicted the accused appellant for offence under section 354, pursuant to which he was directed to undergo 1 year rigorous imprisonment full stop. He was further convicted for offence under section 511 read with section 376 IPC and was directed to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 2 years and to pay a fine of rupees 200 full stop. Aggrieved, the accused appellant approached the High Court in criminal appeal number 144 of 2006 full stop. The High Court wide impugned judgment dated 27/3/2009 dismissed the appeal and upheld the order of conviction passed by the trial court full stop. Aggrieved by the aforesaid dismissal, the accused appellant approached this court by way of present appeal full stop para. The counsel on behalf of the accused appellant submitted that accused appellant has been framed by the complainant victim pursuant to certain existing enmity full stop. Further, it was pleaded that the FIR was registered with a delay. Full stop, over. तो ये हो गया 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ. जो भी कमेंट्स हो बताइएगा. मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन में.